Okay. Gorgeous day, Saturday. Here's Milo. Hey, Milo! What a good boy. He's discovered the barn. Yes. Hello, Claudette. Yeah, Milo! And you can see I've moved all the hay over. We're getting ready for some new stuff, and the hens think it's just great. They have the whole floor to themselves. They're taking a hay bath. Oh. Let's see what Milo's doing. What's going on, Milo? I don't know where he went. Maybe he's over there now. Oh, there. It was just me. Oh, it's Milo. Well, look at that. Oh. Yay! Oh. Okay. And we'll just hang out here for a little bit.